Hi guys, some of you may remember I repaired my grandson's wand, Harry Potter wand, a while back. Well, it would have been last year now. Well, he's brought it back again because he's broken it again. He's done pretty well this time. He's broken it there. And he's also broken the original repair, which I'd reinforce with a nail down the middle. And he's lost a bit of it there. So I'm going to have to fill that with resin or something. Yeah. And that will at least hold it steady with that nail that I put in there. And I'll build that up with some 2-part epoxy resin, I think. This time I used super glue last time. I'll use this time because I can actually build that up and then try and file it back down again. It's not going to look pretty. And then I'll do the same thing here. I'll drill a hole in it, put a bit of wire up the middle to support it, and do the same again. But yeah, I'll mix up a little bit of epoxy and stick that together for now. I'm using a bit of tape to try and give it a bit of shape while it dries. And then I'll have to sand it down. It's not going to be anything like as neat as the previous repair because we're missing quite a lump out of it. Right, last time when I did this, I tried to make the hole very accurate. This time I'm deliberately not trying to make it accurate. I'm trying to make it a bit wobbly so that I can adjust the rest of the wand and get it to line up properly. And I'll fill the gap with the 2-part resin. So we can wobble it around quite a bit to try and get it to sit down nicely on the break. That's my theory. But I can't do anything with that bit until the epoxy has dried properly. Really ought to leave that for a day or so, just so it doesn't break while I'm trying to work on that bit. I could have done it the other way round, I suppose. Worked on that bit first and then done that. Probably as long as it is short, or as short as it is long, whichever way you want to look at it. Could do it either way. I've started drilling a hole in the top end. I seem to have got it about right. I will go in deeper than I have at the moment. Well, actually, I've gone further than I thought I had. Well, that's not bad. Okay. Well, like I said, I'm going to leave that to dry for 24 hours, I think, before I attempt to do that one. but that's a good start. Well, I've changed my mind about waiting 24 hours. I'm actually going ahead and doing it now. Keep that in focus. We'll have to clean that off. Right, clamped in position. So now we will leave that for 24 hours. It's not going to be terribly strong. We'll see. Well, it's turned out a nice sunny afternoon. So this has been left for, I was saying 24 hours, but when was I working on this last night? Late last night. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon now, so it's had about 16 hours. So that might be good enough. We'll see what happens. See if I can get that tape off and clean it up a little bit just there. Right. I don't think this 2-part resin's going to do the job. It's actually coming away from the surface straight away, because that's the glued not glued, painted surface. It depends how much it grips underneath. I don't think this is going to last very long. I'll use the Dremel thing and actually grind that back, because trying to cut it, I can just see it's giving way. It looks the part, but I don't think it's got the strength. Well, I've cleaned it up. Obviously you can still see where I've had to fill it. I'm not going to touch that bit. I'm going to leave it exactly as it is. I really don't think that 2-part epoxy has got the strength. I think as soon as he starts waving this around and hitting things with it, or sitting on it, I don't know how he managed to break it. But yeah, I don't think this is going to last. We'll see. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.